Hi, I'm Mike. This video I will make speed test on most popular programming language at 2022. Here is all language in this test. PHP, most used for web backend development. In 2021, about 78% of all websites are developed in this language. JavaScript, NodeJS, and Typescript. Three languages are very similar, most used for web front-end, back-end, or some server programs. The development community is huge and have many kinds of frameworks like jQuery, Vue, or React. Python, most popular programming language at 2022. Applications include web back-end, machine learning, AI, or data processing. Cross-platform and very easy to learn. Cython, the compiler boost version of Python. First, we will write Python code, then convert to the Cython C style code. So basically, it is a C language program. Java and Kotlin are another two similar languages. Java is the most popular programming language a few years ago, cross-platform and have many kinds of applications, like web backend, app, IoT device, and some financial security system. And Kotlin is a new generation language for writing Android app. R language is most used for data processing and data statistics. Ruby, most used for building some web application. For some reason, many startup companies use it to build their product. Ruby on Rails, the Rails is a powerful web framework. C# is best choice to build application on Windows platform, most used for building desktop programs or some web application. C and C++ are two languages can be mixed together. C++ just like an object-oriented version of C language, most used for building operating system, hardware driver, game, or some high-performance programs. Development codes usually higher than other languages. Many programming languages are written in C and C++ too. Assembly language. You can write C language first, then compile to the assembly, or directly writing assembly by hand. Usually hard for human to read or write, but in theory this language should be the faster. Go language, most used for website backend or some high-performance program, like a simplified version of C language with many modern innovation. Google created this language, and community is still growing. Rust, like an advanced version of C++. Program can reduce many mistakes that C++ programmer may make. It is a new language, may not yet have many applications compared to other languages, most used for building some high-performance program. Let's talk about speed test rule. First, all programs run bubble sort of 30,000 numbers under console mode, and display progress bar at the same time. First finish will win. That's all language in this test. Let's start the test. Here is the result. Faster language is Rust. The second place is C and C++. The third place surprisingly is C#. In theory, assembly should be the faster language, so obviously I'm not a good assembly language engineer. And this result is running under my machine and program I wrote. If you have a different machine or program writing style, should have a different result. This is our test. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.